Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Roku Home Monitoring System and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to do this from the hub, and this is going to remove all the accessories and everything like that from the hub. There's two reasons you would want to do this. Number one is if you're having troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this hub not connecting to the accessories or not pairing with the app properly or not syncing, anything like that, of a hard reset to the factory default settings can fix a lot of those. The other reason is if you're just trying to set this up new and you're just trying to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that really easily with a hard reset to the factory default settings. So we're going to do this from the hub. So if we look at the back of the hub, we will see a reset button on the back. You're just going to press and immediately release that reset button on the back of the hub. And then once you do that, you're going to want to go to the Smart Home app, the Roku Smart Home app, and unlink the hub from the app so that then you can repair it, reconnect it, and start fresh, because everything will be reset, all the accessories, then you'll need to reconnect all the accessories and everything like that as though you're setting it up new.